India's northeast is quietly becoming one of South Asia's most sensitive security zones. And experts now warn that the India-Myanmar border is rapidly turning into a major geopolitical and internal security hotspot. Why? Because instability inside Myanmar is no longer staying inside Myanmar. It is increasingly affecting India through cross-border insurgency, illegal migration, drug trafficking, arms smuggling, and refugee movement. And naturally, security agencies are becoming deeply concerned. The India-Myanmar border stretches across difficult terrain involving dense forests, mountains, remote villages, and complex ethnic regions. States like Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh are directly connected to this sensitive frontier. And experts say security in these regions is now closely linked to political developments happening inside Myanmar itself. The issue became more serious after rising instability and ethnic conflict inside Myanmar created growing uncertainty across border regions. Why is border management becoming so difficult? Because the India-Myanmar border is not only a physical boundary, it is also connected through shared ethnic communities, historical movement routes, and long-standing social ties across both sides. The discussion also highlighted concerns regarding porous borders, forest-based movement corridors, weak surveillance systems, and the free movement regime, often called FMR. This arrangement historically allowed certain communities living near the border to move across regions more freely. But experts warn that such conditions can also create opportunities for insurgent movement, illegal trade, and organized crime networks. And if you enjoy powerful geopolitical explainers and future-focused current affairs like this, your one like, one share, and one subscribe genuinely motivates us to continue creating premium quality informative videos every single day. What makes Myanmar especially important for India is its enormous strategic value. Myanmar acts as India's gateway to Southeast Asia, a key pillar of the Act East policy, and a critical connectivity corridor toward ASEAN nations. That means instability there can directly affect regional trade, infrastructure projects, security operations, and Indo-Pacific strategic planning. Experts also warn that prolonged instability inside Myanmar may increase pressure involving refugee inflow, drug trafficking syndicates, arms networks, and security disruptions across northeast India. And some insurgent groups have historically used difficult border terrain as hideouts and movement corridors. That makes intelligence coordination and border surveillance extremely important. The larger reality is becoming increasingly clear. Modern border security is no longer only about fencing or military deployment. It now involves technology, regional diplomacy, intelligence sharing, cyber coordination, and geopolitical stability together. Because in today's interconnected world,